Goans watched the longest annular solar eclipse of the millennium that began 6 minutes after 11 a.m. on Friday. Scientists and students from several parts of the country seized the opportunity to study the celestial spectacle. In Goa, a partial eclipse, that is 60%, was visible from 11:11 a.m. to 3:06 p.m. Goa Science Centre at Miramar made special arrangements for viewing this rare phenomenon through telescopes and solar filters.
A normal solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between Earth and the Sun, thereby totally or partially obscuring Earth's view of the Sun. However, an annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon's apparent diameter is smaller than the Sun, causing the Sun to look like an annulus, blocking most of the Sun's light. The solar eclipse that occurred on Friday was an annular eclipse with a magnitude of 0.9190. An annular eclipse appears as partial eclipse over a region thousands of miles wide. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the Sun and the Moon are exactly in line, but the apparent size of the Moon's shadow is smaller than the visible disk of the Sun, making the Sun appear like a ring of fire. The eclipse was at its peak to annular eclipse at 1:15 p.m.
Today, this is one of the rarest phenomenon is taking place, that is the solar eclipse. This is a very special eclipse. It is called as annular solar eclipse, in which sun's disk is not totally covered, but the moon comes in the center of the sun and a ring is seen around the moon's black disk. So this is called as, it is like a very bright ring, like a fire ring you can say, and it is a very rare eclipse. And this type of eclipse is seen in India after a long period of 66 years. And from Goa it is not visible as a total eclipse or annular eclipse, but it is visible as a partial eclipse.
The solar eclipse on Friday was one of the longest annular solar eclipse of the millennium, and the longest until December 23rd, 3043, with a maximum length of 11 meters and 7.7 seconds. The last time India saw this ring of fire was on November 22nd, 1965, and we will not witness such a phenomenon again before June 21st, 2020. The next longest annular solar eclipse will be seen in 3043. While the visibility of the eclipse was more in Tamil Nadu as compared to other parts of the country, it was longer in Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi, around 580 kilometers from the state capital Chennai. People in southern parts of the country were lucky to see the heavenly sight of Ring of Fire.
Here we have mounted the projection, that is the telescope projection, and we have organized in such a way with the pinhole camera you can see the image of the sun on this butter paper. So this is one of the images. Also we have a live telecast of the solar eclipse from the other places like Kerala and the Tamil Nadu.